Is really, really big. So as we can see, we can't see the whole thing underneath the microscope. So I'm going to kind of take a tour of the lymph node. Okay, so right here is the capsule. Extensions of the capsule into the lymph node are called trabeculae. This layer right here is the cortex. Here are these round follicles with the the germinal center. So let's do it again. This is the capsule. This is the trabeculae. This layer is the cortex. These are round follicles with the germinal center in the middle. We come up here and we see the indentation area. And this is called the hilus. To the left of the hilus is going to be the medullary cords. This is the middle of the lymph node. Okay. So hilus, medullary cords. Capsule, trabeculae, cortex, follicle, germinal center, hilus, medullary cords. Any questions on the lymph node?
Can you show the capsule one more time?
Right here. All this is the capsule. All along here. All this is capsule. Okay, any other questions? We know the slide?
Yes.
Do we know the slide? Okay. Name the structures.
Capsule, trabeculae,
Name the layer.
cortex,
Name the structure.
follicle,
This is
germinal center,
this one.
medullary.
Medullary cords. Okay, good. Anybody recognize this organ? You're going like, I have no idea. pancreas. Okay. Right here, this circular structure is the islets of Langerhans. And these cells out here are Cini cells. They secrete pancreatic juice, and they secrete the hormones. Insulin, glucagon, somatostatin. Okay, do you see the pancreas and anything? Look under your green sheet. You need to know, look at the material you need to know for each slide.
What are the Acini?
The Cini cells are outside the islets of Langerhans.
What do they secrete?
They secrete pancreatic juice. Islets of Langerhans secretes the hormones, glucagon, somatostatin, and insulin. Okay, any questions on the pancreas? This is the tongue. These are these are the filiform papillae right here. Filiform papillae. And then as we move down into here, these are the fungiform papillae, right there. These are the fungiform papillae. And if you remember from lecture, we house the vocal cords. Vocal cords. Were you listening to what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
What did I say? Does that make sense?
So if you're listening from lecture, then do you have a vocal cords?
Does that make sense?
No.
No. Were you gonna say something like, Mrs. Stabler, that doesn't sound right. We're in the tongue. We're in the tongue, and how can we
The
have
tongue.
papillae? Referring to vocal cords. Okay, these are your taste buds right here. And there's the little opening. So the food is going to, so when you chew, it's going to swallow them. When you chew your food this morning or after class or whatever, here's your, this is the area where you're going to be forming the bolus. This is where you're going to be chewing right here. And then as the food particles get down in here, they will then come in contact with the taste buds, which are located right here in this portion of the papillae, this portion of the papillae. And let's go a little bit bigger. You can see them right here. And we're going to see them a little bit bigger. See, the food particles are coming in here, all the saliva mixed up with your breakfast stuff. And see each of these little taste buds right here? See them right here? Little taste buds, and then they usually have a little opening to the surface there. Right there, see? So therefore the food particles or even just the molecules, where they come in contact here, and then it will elicit the taste. Okay, any questions?
Mm-mm.